Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Forte EX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel ABS brakes, dust-sensing headlights, rear bench seats, intermittent window wipers, remote power door locks, 4 doors, passenger airbag, heated steering wheel and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.